Hi, today I'm making lemon dill butter. This is a wonderful compound butter with fresh dill and a little bit of lemon juice from a fresh lemon and unsalted butter. It's a very simple recipe. So you're going to use, I'm using just 1 teaspoon of lemon juice with a half a cup of butter and a quarter cup of fresh dill, finely chopped. I'm going to mix all of these ingredients together, and once it's all well combined, I'm going to transfer it to parchment paper, and I'm going to roll the butter within the parchment paper and twist the ends and just refrigerate. This takes 5 minutes. So this lemon dill butter is perfect for fish and for chicken. It'll be great on your Thanksgiving turkey, but it's wonderful compound butter that you can make up in a couple of hours and have it ready to go.